We're trying to figure out what is square triangle. That's a 2-digit number. And they tell me that square triangle times triangle square gives me square some other number square. What's the only way you can get a square here? What's the only way you can get what number is there? The only way that can happen is if triangle equals 1. They also tell me that when you multiply square times rectangle, square times triangle is less than 10. So we're not going to have to worry about that because 1 times anything is going to be 1 times any number less with only 1 digit will be less than 10. So I just started out, if triangle is 1, let's try 2, 1. Okay? And then this would be 1, 2. And see, the product is going to be where you got the same number, some other number, same number. So 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 2 is 2. That gives me 2, 5, 2. And I'm going to stop there. I'm not going to do any more because this one's, you're not going to have any other ones. If you want to try one, you can. But I found the answer because these two numbers are the same. You know, if you tried 30, I'd stop now and just say the answer is rectangle, triangle is 21. Because here's my rectangle, here's my triangle. But try 31 times 13 if you want to. 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 3 is 9, 1, 3, 3, 10, 4. You see how you didn't get the same number there? And that's what's going to continue to happen. So just stop. Answer is 21.